How to connect PayPal customer support fast. In order to contact PayPal customer support, you need to follow these steps. If you are able to use your mobile app or your app, you can just go to the PayPal app, login, press open this menu bar from the top left corner of the screen, and you could actually go in and select help. Now let's just go in and select the profile initials. Here as well, you should be able to see message and help center, right? You could go in and select one of these options. It's going to ask you to verify your identity, confirm that all, and here you'll be able to find the options available. Now this method isn't working out for you, then you could also use the browser version. You could use any browser, type in PayPal support. Here it is. You could go ahead and click open this link, or you'll also be provided with a toll-free number which you can directly contact, and that's how you're going to contact PayPal support or customer support fast. So that's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.